Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to plot a line plot and we are going to discuss a new limit for our axis. So here is my x values and here is my y values, you see here. And then we right away start plotting our figure. So we are having x values and y values, we are having the marker, and we are having the line style, it's solid, the color blue, and the label. Here is the label for x-axis, for the y-axis, and also the title. We are having the grid here, which is true, so we are having the gray lines. We are having the legend here, and we are displaying our figure using the show function. So this is my figure. Now, how can I have the axis limits? In order to have that, we need to simply use the xlim and ylim functions and give new values to our axis. Okay, so for example, the x values are starting, it's starting from the 1 and it goes up until 5. So I want to have the axis limits for my x-axis from 0 to 6. Now it's from 1 to 5, but I want it to be from 0 to 6. And also for y-axis, we are having values from 10 to 30. So I would like to have values between 5 and 35. So you see it's from 10 to 30. I would like to have from 5 to 35, and here I would like to have from 0 to 6. So now that I have these two lines and I run the code, first of all, we see that the figure is much nicer, I think. Then we see that we are having the x-axis up until 6. We are having the y-axis up until 35. So this is how actually we can have new axis limits while we are plotting our plots. Thank you.